Hi guys, Dirk. Well, we finished this freaking beast for the client. Let's show you how it came out. This is a 2,500 liter firefighter unit. Obviously, we put him a galvanized hose reel with our aluminium spray nozzle. It's got a diesel twin stage pump, so you can suck and pump out, connected to the tank. And then obviously, you're going to put your fire hoses connecting it to it. And then obviously they've got the beast. 150 liter full flush. We've got some fire extinguishers in front. Obviously muddies. We've put a stop block for them for the aviation. We've got rear parking jacks for them. At the back, they're also going to use it for firefighting. This is some extra firefighting suppression nozzle. So if they drive, they can spray it. This thing will give you about a width of 10 meters. So while the trailer is about 2 meters, you'll spray about 10 meters width. And then, here's something else we did for them. This is our lay flat roller. I'm going to show you in another video. So when you're done, you can roll up the lay flat hoses and put it back into the trailer. Don't forget the fire beaters. Well, guys, I think this came out freaking cool. Tell us what you think.